people. I wanted to give you a couple reloading tips. This is just a quick reloading tip. This is a Dillon 550B. I have a small primer in here right now. But I wanted to show you is one area where you will have problems with this machine because of cleanliness or reloader hygiene. And here it is. Let's zoom in here. It's the primer feeding system. You'll get hang-ups. So here we go. All right. On this primer feeding system you get hang-ups. When you actuate the arm, the way this works is this lever gets pushed back and it brings this arm back. Now what you have to make sure to get good primer feeding is this comes all the way back, all right? And when you push the arm forward and bring the ram back down, it goes all the way forward, and that it happens smoothly. Okay, so what you really have to make sure that this happens. Let's move my arm out of the way so you can see what I'm talking about. That this actuates smoothly. You don't want this thing hanging up at all in the press. Okay, so this should move back and forth, and it goes back in based on this spring down here. You can see there's a spring right here. All right. What'll happen is when this sits directly underneath the first station, which decaps or resizes and removes the old primer from your case. Now what'll happen, that old primer will be full of burnt compound, and it'll eventually kind of get all over that first station, particularly on this piece right here, and foul it all up, and that will hang up. So I would recommend about every 200 rounds that you just go ahead and get a piece of paper towel or something like that, and just go ahead and clean that all out. You can also get some dry lube. I use Ezox or something like that, so it's a lubricant. It goes on wet, but then it dries. You can put it on the sides as well. It'll keep it functioning a little bit longer. So there's a little reloading tip for you to make your life a little bit easier. If this thing starts to move forward erratically, it'll throw these primers or dislodge them so they won't be sitting flat, and it'll cause you problems so when you're seating your primers. If it doesn't go back all the way, you're going to have some issues with the new primer dropping in from the tube. So the primers are in this tube right now. This is a blast shield. But if it doesn't go back all the way, the new primer won't sit in the cup, which you're going to see right here, okay, right here, and be fed into station 1, and it magically appears right there. Okay, you can see it right there. Okay, so keep that area clean. You could expect it to get dirty. That's normal. Just do a little bit of clean up every 200 rounds. I'd say after every 400 rounds, you might want to just take down your small, not your small, but your primer feeder assembly. Really give it a good wipe down and clean it up real well. All right, that's all I got for you.